Today's video is all about these palettes. Whether you need to invest in these palettes or not. Hey beauties, welcome back to YouTube channel DC Good Life. Hi, I am Deepa, professional makeup artist, educator and a content creator. Today's video is all about these palettes from Forever 52. Make sure that you watch the video till end so that you can make the judgment whether you need to invest in these palettes or not. And now, without further ado, let's quickly dive right into the video. So first thing first, let's talk about the packaging. And then we will move on to the swatches of these palettes, blush, contour, highlighter, and then the demo part, and so on further in the video.
Coming to the outer packaging is cardboard packaging. There you have Forever 52 branding mentioned, and you have 8 color blushes palette on the back side mentioned. The ingredient list, how to apply, and you can see from the sides how this palette looks like. Just look at this, guys. So this is all about the outer packaging, and now let's quickly move on to the inner packaging. The inner packaging is basically a plastic here, okay, and where you have Forever 52 branding mentioned, and the same thing which has been mentioned on outer packaging has been mentioned on inner packaging. And look at the blush shade, guys. So these are the blush shades which the brand offers, and look at this, guys. This palette really looks amazing. And now let's move on to the contouring part of this palette. Moving on to the contour palette, you can see how the outer packaging looks like. It's basically a cardboard packaging, and you have Forever 52 branding mentioned and the product name mentioned. And when you turn the back side, you can see highlighter and contour powder palette mentioned, ingredients mentioned, and everything mentioned. You can see how it looks from these sides. So that was all about the outer packaging, and now let's quickly move on to the inner packaging. Moving on to the inner packaging is basically a plastic packaging, and this is how the palette looks like. You can see, guys, you have Forever 52 branding mentioned, and when you open this palette, here you get contour, bronzer, compact shades, and one highlighter shade as well. Moving on to the backside packaging, this is how the backside packaging looks like. So this was all about the outer packaging and inner packaging of these palettes. And now let's move on to the swatches of all these palettes.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
And now let's quickly move on into the demo part of this video.
So first I'm using the contour and highlighter palette from the Forever 52, and you can see how I've applied. So I'm applying this in the upward motion so that it doesn't become patchy and looks blended with my skin. And guys, you can see tear in my eyes. It's just due to my back pain. I'm suffering from a huge back pain. I'm trying my best to shoot and complete this video so that I can deliver this video as soon as possible. And now let's move on to the blush part. So here I'm applying blush. And moving on to the highlighter, you can see I have picked these two shades. And guess what guys, while shooting the video my highlighter palette break.
So guys, that was all about the application of blush, contour and highlighter. And now let's talk about these palettes in detail. So guys, first starting with the blush palette, which is one of the most amazing blush palette guys in this range. Trust me when I talk about blushes, you have amazing blushes. First you have your matte baby pink blush, okay. Then you have this coral blush. And here is one shimmer blush, one shimmer, and then matte ones. Overall, if I tell you the swatch, look at the pigmentation. This one swatch.
Guys, I'm showing you the swatches in case you have missed or skipped the swatch part of this video.
This palette is amazing guys, amazing guys. The pigmentation is bang on. So if I talk about the price point is slightly higher, but for the quality you're paying, you can use it on your party makeups, on your bride. Trust me, if you have invested on this blush palette, you do not require any blush palette because it has matte, shimmer and most importantly guys, the choice of blushes. This is perfect for an Indian brides. Also guys, make sure that whenever you buy Forever 52 products, you buy from trusted stores because there is lot of duplicacy in Forever 52 products. So I need to inform you about that. So make sure that you keep in mind whenever you buy Forever 52 products. Now talking about the highlighter palette. So guys, I have broken my highlighter palette. Earlier it was not broken, but it fell down while I was shooting for the video. So I can show you like this only, and I have managed to make it the best possible way. If I talk about the pigmentation of highlighter palette, trust me guys, when your makeup products break, it really hurts. I don't know why, but it hurts a lot. I'm trying to be as normal as I can, but I don't know why I'm feeling so bad. It's just the highlighter, it's just the product. I don't know. Moving on into the further video. If I talk about the highlighter palette, I'll just make a swatch for you so that you know after fixing up how it is, the pigmentation. So I'll swatch this and this. So here are the swatches in case if you have skipped the swatches part of this video. And if you want to see the swatches of all the shades, then you can just certainly go back in the video and then check it out. So guys, that was all for the highlighter palette.
And now let's move on to the contour part.
If I talk about the contour part, this is a very big, as you can see, you have bronzers, you have contour. Look at this guys. And 3 compact shade and the 1 highlighter which I already broke. And this is a long lasting palette. So it is a very good and amazing palette, worth your money. So you can definitely invest in this palette if you're looking for a good contour. If you're looking for a good blush palette, then this is a palette for you. If you're looking for a good highlighter palette, then this is for you. Make sure that you buy from an authentic store. I'm again telling you because I do not want my subscribers to be cheated. I really care for you all guys. So please make sure that you buy from authentic stores or from authentic websites. That was all this for Forever 52 blush contour highlighter palette. I hope guys this video will be beneficial for you. Also guys, if you are someone new to this channel, then please do consider subscribing to the channel for more professional makeup product reviews. And please like this video, it will really mean a lot to me. My health is not well, the palette has broken. I know how I had made this video. Please support me guys, just like this video. I would be really thankful to you all. Other than that, have a wonderful day or evening whenever you're watching this video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.